In this video, we're going to see how to enable a tool and use the tool within your agent. And for this demo, I'm going to use Perplexity, one of the tools that I like a lot. We have integrated the Perplexity Search API, so you could obviously use the tool easily. So I'm clicking on Add, and I have my Perplexity API that you could obviously get from Perplexity itself. And that's it, pretty much. Just click the tool, give the API, and you're done. So the tool is added. I can go back to agents now and click on creating an agent, and I could give let me push it to, okay, let me give the name. So for example, it could be what do you say, a research blog research agent, and description would be this agent will research or will search the internet using Perplexity and write a blog post. What if we say Twitter? Let's move it to Twitter, okay? Twitter, a Twitter agent. I would say a research enabled Twitter agent. And let us select Google this time and Gemini Flash probably as a model. And now we could give the role. So you are an expert tweet writer. Your task is to analyze or rather, search on the provided topic and write a tweet. Now, instructions, right? Now, this is where it gets really interesting. The better your instructions, the better the agent behaves. Search on the provided topic, collect enough information about the, say, topic, and write a 4-line tweet. It should be, say, natural, sound like a human. Write the tweet from a first person point of view so that it looks like I wrote the tweet, and be a little bit sarcastic. Twitter community likes that. I let's improve the prompt, obviously, which converts the prompt into much more detailed task breakdown one, as you could see. And since we already configured Perplexity, it'll be available here. I'm selecting the tool, and here you can tell how you're planning to use the tool. So search on the provided topic and collect, say, all relevant details that helps you write an informational but witty tweet. That's it. So we have the tool configuration done. I could ideally give examples because this is where examples really shine. You could give some really good examples, but I'm gonna ignore for now and click on create. The agent is created. I could obviously test the agent, or I can take the API and integrate into a beautiful UI and launch it as a SaaS application, charge $9 for it. I could do this all day. I'm not gonna do all of it right now. Let's move ahead to launching as an app instantly here. So I'll just copy paste the same name. So launch as an app. I'm giving the name. I'll give the same description. It's here. It's productivity. Industry doesn't apply. So other function, marketing, and I'll keep it private. Let's launch the app. The app is up and running now. View app. So I just have to click filter and look at my apps, and I have it here. AI, a research enabled Twitter agent. The app is ready. Now let us give the topic. Let's write about DeepSeek. That's what's popular. It's the very latest topic. I'm recording this on 25th of January 2025, and my Twitter post is all about DeepSeek. So let's do that. Write about DeepSeek R1 and how it takes on OpenAI O1. Submit. So the agent is doing its job in the backend, right? It's looking at Perplexity, collecting the data, and it's using the research data of Perplexity to write a tweet. Let's hope that it follows the instructions that we gave. Cool. Okay. So we wanted to be a little bit sarcastic. The DeepSeek R1 coming up for OpenAI's crown, open source, pocket friendly, and somehow better at math. I'm all of it. Gives transparency and cost efficiency are the new cool kids on the block. So long premium prices. Hello, actually using AI without selling it. Yeah, it's kind of a pun. Not bad for a first try. And that's the best part about agents, right? Compared to a chat GPT or a chat experience. Go back and continue to tweak the agent the way you want. So go back to the agents, click on the agent, give more instructions. The agent gets better and better. Let us now remove the sarcastic part of it. And okay, let's just do this right now. It is update. Let's go back to the agent. And I'm going to do this again. Submit. It's going to do the same thing. It's going to use Perplexity to search the data. Yeah, it's sarcasm is out, and it's writing from a first person point of view. Beautiful. So this is how you could obviously add any tool and integrate. There are more use cases for Slack and Google Calendar and so on. And Perplexity is just a beautiful example of how you could use agents with a tool.